In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark in just one click. So the tool that I'm using is called Flux Playground. I'll put a link down below. And then here you can go to image, generate, and then just upload your photo. I'm gonna use this as an example. Just put a prompt, remove watermark. Then click on the three dot. You can select the aspect ratio. Let's say I wanna use like 4:3. And the bed size, let's say I'm just gonna use 2. I'm gonna click on processing, and then it will process the image. As you can see, the watermark is fully removed. You can right click and download it, and it's a simple crop. You can just crop it using Paint or any tool that you have. I just crop this section here. It's done.